Word spotting is the ability to locate keywords or phrases in fluent speech. Applications of word spotting include voice editing and audio indexing. Word spotting enables editing of previously recorded speech to correct errors. It allows indexing into recorded speech and can be used to establish markers for subsequent playback. In addition, word spotting can be used in filling out audio form letters. Word spotting is incorporated into an audio editor, which is a tool for general-purpose audio display and manipulation. The editor has been implemented on a Sun Spark station and uses the X window system. Data can be entered into the editor by direct recording or retrieval from a disk file.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
To review the audio stream, a variety of playback options are supported.
2, 3.
The audio editor supports normal editing operations such as cutting and pasting.
One, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, 8.
The user can control the visual display of the audio signal using the scroll bar and the zoom operations. In addition, we have provided a palette of signal processing operations for doing simple audio effects.
1, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Juliana Lavendel is the manager of the Technical Information Center at Xerox PARC. She uses voicemail for her communications. Since she must send frequent reminders for overdue library books, she uses an audio form letter to make the job easier. Word spotting enables her to fill in the blanks in the form letter. Keywords in the audio form letter represent blanks to be filled in.
Buongiorno, persona nominata. Qui è Giuliana Avanzini Lavendel del Centro Informazioni al Park. Ci risulta dalla banca dati della...
To fill out the form, she speaks a keyword. For example, the first keyword is persona nominata, the person to whom the mail is addressed.
Persona nominata.
The word spotter searches for the keyword and finds its start and end. Each time a new instance of the keyword is found, the number of occurrences field is incremented. The Next button is used to highlight the next occurrence of the keyword. Juliana checks to make sure the word spotter has located the keyword correctly by listening to the selected region.
Persona nominata.
She then uses the replace key to fill in the blank. She speaks the required information, in this case, the name of the person.
Signor Scaglioli.
The next keyword is nome dell'oggetto, the name of the overdue item.
Nome dell'oggetto.
When all the keywords have been replaced with the correct information, the voicemail is ready to send.
Buongiorno, signor Scaglioli. Qui è Giuliana Avanzini Lavendel del Centro Informazioni.
Jean-Marie de la Bojadière is a newscaster at a small radio station who pre-records newscasts. He uses the audio editor to edit his newscasts before broadcasting. Word spotting allows him to quickly find the location of his mistakes without having to listen to the broadcast several times. Jean-Marie has made an error in the name. Mario Minelli should have been Mario Minetti. He repeats the name to be replaced,
Mario Minelli,
and uses the word spotter to find its location. He then uses the replace option to correct the name.
Mario Minetti.
Jean-Marie found the news item humorous and laughed.
Mario Minetti.
The word spotter is capable of locating such non-speech sounds so that they can be deleted.
de Saint-Jean-du-Maroni. À Cayenne, encore vivant au Venezuela. persuadé de Saint-Jean-du-Maroni, à Cayenne, encore vivant.
John Seeley Brown is a Xerox corporate vice president. He regularly uses his commuting time to dictate correspondence, which is later transcribed by one of his assistants. Janice, his administrative assistant, uses the WordSpotter to aid in processing John's dictation. She maintains a set of common keywords for her boss. For example, she uses the keyword email to locate sections of the dictation that are to be transcribed into email.
Email. What follows is a brief email to Mark Myers.
Janice can create templates for words she needs. For example, she can create a template for the word paragraph by excising repetition from one of John's recordings.
Mark, comma, paragraph. I've had some time to think. Paragraph.
She can then use the WordSpotter to find instances of paragraph and play the audio
Paragraph.
segments between successive occurrences to aid in transcription.
I've had some time to think about Roadrunner since our last phone conversation, period. I think there are three perspectives to take on Roadrunner. The first having to do with it being a tactic, the other two having strategic ramifications. Colon, paragraph.
After she has transcribed the document, she uses the audio editor to delete punctuation comments and other extraneous material. She then compresses the audio using a timescale modification algorithm, which allows a high-speed listening without the usual pitch distortion.
Good morning, Dennis. What follows is a brief email to Mark Myers. Subject, Roadrunner, a tactic or strategy. Mark, I've had some time to think about Roadrunner since our last phone conversation. I think there are three perspectives to take on Roadrunner. The first having to do with it being a tactic, the other two having strategic ramifications.
John can then quickly review his correspondence as needed during the drive home.